has all the facilities that you need.
This village has also a lots of facilities.
And nobody gives you job in village. Why do you go?
You are talking about facilities. So there is one most beautiful facility that can save your life. That is air.
What do you mean to say? In city there are fire?
City is very polluted. You know.
Clothes are manufactured in city, and you are talking about stress life. Life is stress. If you have all the happiness, you cannot enjoy your life.
So today we are going to do a discussion. All right? Discussion, debate. What is that? It is a group discussion. And in this discussion, the viewers is going to see a great fight in English. All right? Are you ready? Oh, what an energy! What an energy! That's a great energy. You can observe, okay? And guys, you must write your comments about your feeling, okay? What you feel, you must write that in the comment box, okay? Now today you're going to feel the heat of English, okay? And in Bihar. Okay, and that's looking. Show the faces of these guys, okay? They are looking very energetic today. Okay, so now we have to decide the side, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's fine. And one man is recording the video, alright? Okay, and he will also be there in the video very soon. Don't worry. Okay, so now, what do you like? Can you please tell me? What?
I like village life.
What?
Village life.
Village life. They like village, okay? And you guys?
City life.
Oh, they like city. Okay, so we should start. Tell me, why do you like city?
Village.
Oh, you like village? That's
Yeah.
fine. You tell me.
Village is very cleaning and so mind blowing.
Village is very clean. Yeah, please fast. Yeah.
City has a good resources amount, and city has all the facilities that you need.
Nowadays, village has also a lots of facilities. You can give me what other options does village not have? Just like if you talk about hospital, the community health office.
Is there any electronical shop in village? Is there any mobile shop in village?
City has very hectic life, very demotivated life. They don't have so good type of things.
A stressful life.
But when nobody gives you job in village, why do you go?
Oh, wow.
You can get job also in the village. You can get job. We do job. How can you say that?
Okay, all right. Listen.
You go to job in village just like
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
you can sell
भूल गए. You forgot that bad. Okay. Villagers have tendency to forget everything. You don't remember the things. Okay.
you are talking about facilities. So there is one most beautiful facility that can save your life. That is air.
Air. Dirty air.
What do you mean to say? In city there are fire?
Actually, tell me, Delhi is a city or village?
Delhi is a village. In
Delhi city or village according to
village, yeah.
And in Delhi there is a dangerous air is just like running.
You want to go there, and also you want to go there for study.
Very sad. Very bad.
He wants to go travel. They want to show the world. They don't want to go.
Okay, they want to see the dirty world. Okay.
You want to show the world by the city?
Okay.
If you like a village, see the village.
See the village. Village is beautiful. Yeah. Anyone in there?
Because we need diversity. In village you just like saw the greenery movement, greenery field, less safety.
Okay.
Travel the world. See this green world.
See the green world. Yeah. See the beauty.
In village we just believe in jadoo, tona, totka and
Superstition. Okay. In village we have this lady. Yeah, please.
Village is not jadoo, tona, totka, not that. Village is very in 21st century, brother. You can say in 21st century. How can you say that?
Firstly, we can't have diversity without unity. Firstly,
We have.
You talk villagers. She can't speak well. English. Oh God, don't say this to me.
Villages can't speak well. That is very sad.
City is very polluted, you know.
Sir.
Yeah.
And you know, city people. Rahul, just 1 second. City people are copy our traditional just like cloth. They are earning their life by doing just like of jadoo.
City has no culture. City has no culture, no sanskar. But village, we are living in culture.
Sanskar, tradition, everything. Yeah.
You have just sanskar and hospitals and colleges.
Are there in the city?
They will go into hell. Okay.
But your clothes are manufactured in city, and you are talking about stress life. Life is stress. If you have all the happiness, you cannot enjoy your life.
Okay, alright, now we should go that side. Yes, please.
I want to reply to Samu. She said that villagers cannot speak English. We are also villagers. We are speaking English.
See the beautiful village, speak English.
How can I not speak English? Because sir knows very well, and sir is also comes from Delhi, so you know about this language.
But sir, coming in village.
Yeah. You are speaking English just because of sir, na? You are.
Sir, फंस गए बीच में. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
If you live in village, there is a lower cost of living in village. But if you live in city, there is a higher cost of living. You cannot survive in
Sir.
city if you are living.
In city there are also the. Hey Rahul. नई आंखें हो तो हर मंजर अच्छा लगता है. कुछ दिन शहर में लेकिन
नई आंखें हो तो हर मंजर अच्छा लगता है.
But
Okay.
the village is most important and fresh vegetable, fresh food. City is not available. Fresh food.
Suppose that you have emergency case in the like a hospital cases. If you want to good patient, good hospitalization, like go to another places for the treatment. Good. Village have also hospital and clinic also. And you know city are very matlabi type. You know.
Okay, viewers, anything can happen, okay? World War 4 is going to start, okay? Here, all night, yeah.
In village there is a
She's fighting like a, King Jong, Lady King Jong. All night, yeah.
In village there is a less crime, but if you go to the city, then you have to just like higher crime. In village there is a less crime.
Very bad.
People are living like
City
own
people
life.
are very matlabi. You know.
Very selfish.
and in village you help. Can you give me 200 rupees?
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Listen, he is wrong here because village.
I think it's time to change the cameraman, okay? Because cameraman is also trying to speak something. Please, cameraman, sit here, sit there, anywhere. Please, जहाँ बैठना बैठ जाओ. Yeah.
He said कि village are also मतलब sir, he is wrong here. Village person are very helpful. If you are bad situation, they help you.
Yeah.
1 minute, guys, 1 minute. City has bad habit, drugs, almost for drugs. And
something. Do you know APJ Abdul Kalam? He is also villager and he is a great person.
But
Do you know about Mr. Beast? He is also citizen.
And she said that villagers support from physically, not
physically, okay? They cannot support with the money. They don't have money. They go to city for earning money. What is that?
But sir, village is not available airport. But the city is also airport available and big hospital. Village is not.
Hospital is available. Big hospital is available. Airport is available. College is available in city.
There are also available hospitals, schools, government hospitals, schools in the village.
Just like giving the
Small bro, small. City is also big hospital and airport. Village not available.
No, if you just say ki airport is only in just like city, Ulao is
Here just some political leaders comes and Chapri makes their
Video. Very bad. Muskan, please stop. Muskan is there.
गांव का मुकाबला सिटी नहीं कर सकता.
This side.
Why people do go for outside in Kota like Kota for study IIT?
Why do you go to Kota? Where is these girls. They are fighters. They are fighters.
You prepared for UPSC in village?
Right.
You prepared for UPSC in village?
You can.
We can clear. There is a lot of stuff they can clear the UPSC and need. That's why we are in the seat of
Villagers are winning for the first time. Okay, in the history of debates. Okay, villagers are winning. Okay, all right.
City people always depend on villagers. Villagers like all the things, food, cloth, shelters, all the things.
Yes.
City people always depend on villagers.
If villager people will not
They are fighting separately. These guys are fighting separately. Great fight is going on.
City people eat food because of villager farmers. You know, villager farmers. Village farmers are growing vegetables. You know.
Wait. Girls fight, big fight here.
City is education, but village is moral education.
Village has moral education. Don't have moral education.
Once again, you see the difference of thought between citizen and villager. If villagers are failing, then their family members say कि शादी करवा देंगे. But if citizen fail, their family.
Pain. This girl has very big pain. Yeah.
We earn less, but राजा की तरह जिंदगी गुजारते, मजदूरी नहीं करते हैं.
Raja, please come this side.
That's why they do mazduri.
Do you know about army officers? Almost 90% army officers from village.
No objection. No objection.
So what do you think they are doing mazduri?
Yeah.
So
How can you say this? He's talking about army man and defense personality.
Sharing of his or her education from outside.
Let me speak.
Sir, I agree.
Viewers, they are snatching the mics, okay? I am not in safe zone. I am in danger. Please, you save me writing some beautiful comments in the comment box, okay? Today, I am not feeling safe. Yeah.
Sir, speak about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. I know he is also villagers, but he study from.
इंग्लैंड में पढ़ के आए वो ये कहना ये चाह रही है
Sir, he said कि मजदूर. तो he is not मजदूर. तो how can
Looking
make?
like मजदूर, okay?
No, sir, this is not fair.
I'm not telling you.
How can make city building?
You love मजदूरी?
No.
She loves मजदूरी. Viewers, she loves मजदूरी. Yeah, that's great. Okay, do you want to hire that mazdoor for your making the building?
Yeah.
But they don't have personality. They don't have. They are.
Mazdoor doesn't need personality.
And they are looking
You live in city. You live village.
Yeah.
That is not wrong.
I don't know why we are talking about
That's
this.
not the answer. What do you think?
For
Villagers have courage to do anything in this world. Do anything in this
That
world.
is why they are doing in the.
I am tired. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Please, breathe. Please breathe. Yeah.
for achieving for growing our country, we need three things: force, farmer, and morality. And
Education will go into hell. Education will go into hell.
So village is not disciplined and city is also disciplined. Village is not clean. City is also clean and airport, big hospital, so very clean.
Okay. Don't. She's laughing. हंस के लहरा रही है. That's very bad. Okay. All right. Thank you. I think we have to stop. Yeah, please. Wait. Sir. Excuse me, sir. Please wait. Okay. Last round. Okay. And it's no round. You have to give your opinion. Okay. Last opinion. I'll ask from everyone. Don't attack. Okay. अभी तक गोला बारूद खत्म नहीं हुआ क्या यार? Over. Okay. Yes, please. One by one.
Now you are living very freely. You know what? Why? Just because of our
Freedom fight.
just because of our freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, they also belongs to village. They also belongs to village. They are getting education in city, but they are also villagers. They are also villagers. They won't be like villagers. And then I like to defend our country.
This side. Excuse excuse me, please understand my pain also. I'm not able to handle you. मैं तो बीच में पिस गया यार. Seriously, I'm telling you. Wait. She's going to answer her, please.
And they got also get education. They got education outside, from outside.
Just tell me, ma'am. There's
Stop it, stop it. The done. So the time is very limited, okay? I cannot give you unlimited time. Our viewers will be bored and they won't watch the video.
Hey, listen, Lucy, listen. I will give some points on that's why village is important. In village, there is a less crime, less pollution, greenery movements. Just
Hello, who said
But-
this thing?
please. We have a closer relationship to each other. They always support us, and low cost of living, and many things.
Many things. Okay, all right, yeah. Want to reply, anyone? Do you have any reply? Yeah.
So he said villagers are good, but you know this thing. Every villagers you talk another person, he also like
Civilized, yeah.
right, and he speak like abusing.
Yeah, villagers are uncivilized. She means to say that, okay? All right.
They speak with very politely.
Yeah.
You are in village and you are saying this. How can you say that? How can you
By
say that?
some of people, you cannot just be
Yeah,
just all
right.
village.
One person is bad, you cannot say everybody is bad. Yeah.
Yeah, tell me one thing. Everybody uses a phone and everybody wears clothes. From where it is made?
Yeah, it
Tell
is
me.
made from outside.
All right. Wait.
you take fruit and vegetable. Also village give you. Give you village. He said.
So why you provide your because you know this thing.
So I said vegetable and fruit.
Okay. The fight is not going to get over. I know I have to stop the fight here because public. Please understand, it was not a fight. It was just natural tendency of Assemblians, and they always do debate in this way. Okay, and if you want to watch another video, follow us. Okay, on our channel. If you have not subscribed yet, do it right now, right here. Thank you. Bye bye.